Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Even after 60 years of liberation, people of Kaurepilla do not have basic infrastructure like water, roads. They have to travel kilometers to collect water. Going Savas, a local NGO, is another party that is seeking to make an entry into Goa politics, is basing manifesto on healthcare and policing. IMD predicts thunderstorm, lightning at isolated places till 6th October, heavy rain on 2nd. Now for the news in detail. Goa is celebrating 60 years of liberation, but it looks like the government has completely neglected giving basic facilities like water to certain areas, for example at Kaurepilla.
There are still some people in the 21st century who spend their nights in the dark. They even have to walk kilometers to fetch water. There is no road. People have to walk for hours even to catch a bus. This is not a story of some backward village in remote part of India. This is a village in Goa, Ubofatur village from Kaurepilla Panchayat in South Goa.
Udana, light na, रस्तो ना. आता आम्ही एक या रानार रावून येयली. फाल्यां सकाळी आमगे भुरगीं लायट ना, उदक ना जाल्यार रावता. बालवाडी ना. 100 वर्ष जाली. माय 100 वर्ष माय माव आमगे हिंगा काबार जावन गेली. आता आम्ही काबार जावपा येयली. आता व्हळा हा न्हू, पावसा व्हळ हा. गिमांतल्यान उदक ना न्हू, तेन्ना आमी आयदनान भरोन हाडटा कशें. एक वरां एक वाट. मागीर उदक तर जाय जाल्यार हाडचें पडलें ना, नाल्यार उपाशी रावपा जाता. ताका लागून अशें आमगे हे आमदारा सांगलें आमदार आयकना. भाटकारा सांगल्या भाटकार आयकना. मत्ता टायमार भाटकार येता हिंगा, नाजाल्यार येयना. मागीर
आता भुरग्यां बीन आता कितें जालां, आता शिक्षण सामकें म्हत्वाचें. आता भुरग्यां तुमी बालवाडी इस्कॉलां खंय घालता?
खंय आनी मामागेर खंय आमगे सोयरी आहा तेंगे दवरपाची, नाजाल्यार कितें करपाचें? हय थिंगा दवरता.
आनी आता ऑनलायन आता एड्युकेशन जालां, सोयऱ्यांगेर वचपाक मेळना, भुरगीं घरा कडच्यान शिकपाचीं जाल्यार तुमी तेन्ना कितें करता आतां?
कितें करतली आनी? आता थोडी भुरगीं मोबायल हाडून बी दिवपाचो घरा कडेन, नाजाल्यार आनी कितें करतली?
मोबायलाक रेंज मेळटा तुमकां?
रेंज मेळटा, रेंज मेळना काय ना. सोलर दिला ते पळय ते न्हू, भायर लायला
ते चल्लां?
चलता ते चलता, पूण ते भायर दिला न्हू ते चलना. ते आतां बंद जालें.
गांवां म्हणल्यार आमकां सद्या मेन म्हणल्यार उदक ना, लायट ना, रस्तो सारको ना. अजून लायट पावना. दिताय म्हणटाय भाटकार म्हणून ते आज दिता फाल्यां माता टायमार कोणूय येता इलेक्शना टायमार. उदक म्हणल्यार आतां पावसाळ्याचा मागीर पावस वयतरी वळांचें उदक सुकता न्हू, मागीर फोंडकूल बिणकूल मारताय बरें भितर वळां. 7 घरां
सगळीं?
सगळीं.
सोलर आसा ते कितल्या तेंप पेटले तुमगेले?
पेटली म्हणल्यार एक वरी सारके अशें पेटले.
पूण कितली वर्सां गॅरंटी दिली तुमकां?
तांकां 4-5 वर्सां गॅरंटी दिली, काय करनाका म्हणून. एक वरी अशें पेटले मरे ते आनी मागीर बंद.
पूण आतां पेटना म्हणटा तांकां सांगलें जाल्यार ते कितें करता? सांग कितें सांग तुमकां?
तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलें, पेट्रोल पंपार वसाय आनी उदक भरून हाडा म्हणून. तेन्ना पेट्टायले म्हणून. ते निकळायता आनी काडटा कोण थंय आमकां कळटा अशें म्हणून सांगलें तेंच्यांनी.
Government is celebrating Sarkar Tumcha Dari program. Will the government approach these people under this initiative?
अन्न, वस्त्र आणि निवारा ह्यो खंय मनीस जगपाच्यो सामक्यो मुळाव्यो गरजो. हातूंक गरजेनुसार आज आणि काळानुसार आज सध्याक लायट, रस्तो आणि उदक ह्यो 3 मुळाव्यो गरजो तातूंत एड जाल्या. पूण अग्रेसर अशा मानपी ह्या आमच्या गोंय राज्यांक जर एखाद्या गांवाक लायटूच ना अशें जर कोणाक सांगलें खरेंच दिसचें ना. आयज आमी स्वातंत्र्याचे सुमार 60 पूर्ण करूंक लागले, तरी पूण आजुनी आमच्या अग्रेसर म्हूण वळखुपी ह्या गांवाक लायट नाशिल्ले गांव आसात. अशांतलोच एक गांव म्हटल्यार आमचे डेप्युटी CM बाबू कवळेकर हांच्या वाठारांतलो कावरेपिर्ला ह्या पंचायत वाठारांत येवपी उबेफातर हो गांव. ह्या गांवांत आजुनी लायट ना. सरकारान खंयच्याय परिस्थितीन हांगासर लायटीची म्हणजेच सोलर लायटीची वेवस्था केल्या, तरी पूण ती सारकी आजुनी चलना. खांब्यार घातिल्ल्यो लायटी कांय दिसांनी तर रोखड्योच बंद पडल्यो. गोवा 365 खातीर काणकोणांतल्यान देविदास गांवकर.
Goans continue to land in hospitals or even lose their lives due to the horrible condition of the roads, but the government does not seem to be bothered. In order to grab the attention of the government, the opposition Congress organized a unique demonstration at Asnora, sleeping on the roads to highlight the potholes.
ऑस्कर भिखारी एक दो ऑस्कर को फेंक दो एक दो ऑस्कर को फेंक दो चरण की सुपारी ऑस्कर भिखारी.
Almost all roads in Goa are in a dilapidated condition. Driving on these roads is a nightmare. The government is only giving date after date. However, Goans have had to suffer for so long because of this. The Bicholim Congress bloc gathered at Asorna Par Bridge, which is full of potholes, and held demonstration against the PWD minister and local MLA Rajesh Patnekar. The Congress workers slept in the potholes to condemn the shoddy quality of roads. The protesters were later detained by the police.
गेली कित्येक वर्सां जर पारार जर तुम्ही पुलार पळयल्ले जाल्यार अशेच खड्डे आसता आणि आमी गेल्या वर्सा इश्यू केल्लो ह्या 1-1.5 म्हयन्या पयलीं इश्यू केल्लो सरकाराक सांगलेले बाबा हांगा कितलेशे लोक पडले कितल्याशा लोकांचे हात पांय मोडले आमी वॉर्निंगय दिल्ली की जाता इतले बेगीन तुमी जायना तुमच्यान जायना जाल्यार आमकां सांगा आमी करता म्हणून पण अजूनय तेचेर कांयच हे प्रशासनान म्हूण PWDन म्हूण गंभीर्यान असो विचारपूस केली ना कित्याक की ह्या सरकाराक जशें काल पावसकारान म्हटलें की लोक थंय बारीक खड्डे झूम करून घालता म्हणजे एक हो सगळ्या गोंयचो अपमान आसा गोंयच्या जनतेचो अपमान आसा आनी आयज प्रत्येकाक आपले लायफ इम्पॉर्टंट आसा आयज घरांतल्यान लोक सकाळीं कामाक वयता पूण आयज तेंच्या घरांतल्या लोकांची ते काळजी नासता की आपले जे कामाक लोक वयता आपले आवय बापूय कामाक वयता ते सुखरूप घरा पावतले काय ना ह्या टेन्शनान लोक आसता कित्याक तशेंच ह्या खड्ड्यांनी आयज कितलेशे लोक मेल्ले आसा आनी एका ह्या BJP सरकारान मर्डर केल्ले आहा खून केल्ले आहा लोकांचे आनी आमी तांकां ब्लेम करता आयज हे सरकार बरें प्रशासन दिवंक शकना ना आयज गोंयान बरे रोड दिवंक शकना पण एक माणुसकीच्या दृश्टीन मातसो ह्या सरकारान विचार करपाक जाय की बाबा ह्या खड्ड्यांनी कितले लोक मेले हे माणुसकीचे तरी खंय तरी उदाहरण ह्या मिनिस्टरांनी दाखोवपाक जाय आयज जेन्ना हांकां पयसो लुटपाचो आसता तेन्ना सगळे कार्य हांगे फुडें आसता पूण जेन्ना लोकांच्या जिवा मरणाचो प्रश्न आसता तो प्रश्न घेवपाक हे सरकार पूर्णपणे सक्षम ना हे फेल जाल्ले आहा सरकार आयज जो सरकार म्हणटा घरोघरी सरकार अरे खंयचो घरोघरी सरकार जर आयज तुमचे रस्ते सारके ना जाल्यार त्या रस्त्यान घरोघरी तुमी पावतले कशे हेचेर ह्या सरकारान विचार केला हेचेर ह्या CMान विचार केला आयज आमचो गोंयचो CM ह्याच रस्त्यान डेली वयता आमचो गोंयचो सभापती ह्याच रस्त्यान वयता आमचो गोंयचो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ह्याच रस्त्यान वयता पण ते तेंच्या गाडयेन जे हालता हांकां दिसना हे आयज कितले लोक पडटा हे हांकां दिसना हे अत्यंत एक वायट गजाल आसा की हे स्वता ह्या रस्त्यान वता तांकां आयज हे दाखोवन दिता की ह्या सरकाराक हेचे कांयच पडलें.
Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 from Asnara.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Domestic violence cases in the state have increased over the last 5 years and especially over the lockdown period is the general consensus. But the National Crime Records Bureau has released data which shows 0% cases of domestic violence in the state over the last 5 years. Goa Network of Gender Justice, expressing disgust and shock at the data, has questioned its validity. It says it will file an RTI to investigate the issue.
The NGO questions the erroneous data, asking whether it was a matter of conscious suppression of data for image building of the state or a deliberate prevention of women from accessing relief under the Domestic Violence Act. The group says that the issue appears to be endemic, as 10 years ago similar data claimed there were 0 cases of violence against women in the state. Such data dampens the development of law and order infrastructure for women while also discouraging women from reporting crimes.
Members belonging to the network are shocked to see the latest NCRB data released by the government, which says that there are 0 domestic violence cases for the last 5 years, that is from 2015 to 2019, under the Domestic Violence Prevention Act 2005 for Goa. And this is absolutely shocking because organizations know, who are working at grassroots level, that thousands of cases have been registered in these 5 years, but somehow this data is not reflected in the Crime Record Bureau, which is supposed to be the official record of the police. So when you say that there are no domestic violence cases, that means the government does nothing for this. I just want to point out that earlier they used to say that there are no crimes against women in Goa, and hence we didn't have a police station for women. Today we have got this police station for women is because after 10 years of pursuing the matter, once we brought data on record saying that so many cases are taking place, then only the police station was set up.
The GNOJ has made several demands to the government upon the matter, including immediate creation of budgetary allocation for infrastructure and proper training of protection officers and rectifying issues with free legal aid. There is a delay of years in receiving justice for such cases, when ideally they require immediate resolution, the group said. Listen.
Canossa Samajik Vikas Kendra, which is based at Arpora, we have every week cases on domestic violence, also from the locality, and when we visit to the communities also, many cases are forwarded to us on domestic violence. And One-Stop Crisis Center, both North and South Goa, has reported thousands of cases in this period, during the period of COVID. The National Commission for Women has also gone on record the increased number of cases on domestic violence during the lockdown. So I think it is very important, and it is high time for us to give a greater attention on these cases.
We request Amla to read out the demands.
Independent protection officers be appointed, provided with requisite infrastructure and personnel and adequate budget to function. In the interim, a meeting of protection officers, state legal authorities, Department of Women and Child and organizations working on this issue. A meeting with service providers under the Act, State Commission for Women, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, One-Stop Crisis Center, Victim Assistance Unit and organizations involved in providing services like social legal counseling, shelter, helping in providing education, skills, etc.
Many of the cases are filed by women directly in the court. So those statistics also are important to be collated, because that will also give a reality of the situation of whether there are domestic violence or not. One doesn't always have to go through the protection officer. If the protection officers are not trained, if the protection officers are not sensitive, if the protection officers are not equipped with various kinds of backup and infrastructure, that act will be a failure. Because the strength of a domestic violence act which finally comes to the court is something called a DIR, or a domestic incident report, which are basically forms which have to be filled up in quite some detail. Now if that form is not filled up properly, then of course the woman cannot get all the reliefs that she has claimed for.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panjim.
Goinso Awaz, an NGO which seeks to be a political party, has been trying its best to make the presence felt in Goan politics. Its convener, Captain Viriato Fernandes, has said that they have formulated policies on healthcare and policing, which they say they will ensure is implemented once they are elected. Here's more.
Goinso Awaz party has been trying to make its presence felt in Goan politics. They say that they have formulated new policies in healthcare that will ensure healthcare will be given to Goans at their doorstep. They also said a new policy on policing has been formulated by them with inputs from former police personnel. They claim that the current government has failed to provide security to Goans by transferring police personnel and by interfering in police investigations. Listen.
आम्ही खूबश्यो पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेट केल्ल्यो आसा. तातूंत दोन पॉलिसी म्हळ्यार हेल्थ केअर आनी दुसरें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. हेल्थ केअर जे आमचे दोतोर आसा, जे आमचे हॉस्पिटलां आसा, जे आमचे प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आसा, कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर आसा, हे कशे बांदले, हे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कशें सेटअप केले. इट इज विथ द टॅक्सीस पेड बाय द पीपल. एक मनीस आपणाच्या फूल लायफान टॅक्स पे करता. इवन रिटायरमेंटा उपरांत पासून ताजे टॅक्सीस चालू आसता, वेदर इट इज डायरेक्ट ऑर इनडायरेक्ट टॅक्स. वॉट डज ही गेट इन रिटर्न? सरकार कितें दिता? ज्या मनशाचे हार्डवर्क ज्याचे ताणें टॅक्स पे केला ताज्या टॅक्साचेर हे मिनिस्टर जावं MLA तांच्या गाडयांनी भोंवतात ताका पेन्शनूय मेळटा MLAंक डू दे डिजर्व बट वॉट डज अ पर्सन हू इज पेईंग फॉर द टॅक्सीस गेट बेस्ड ऑन दॅट आमी ही पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेट केल्या टू ब्रिंग द हेल्थ केअर टू द डोर स्टेप ऑफ एवरी सिटीजन इन गोवा.
जे आमचे सद्याक गव्हर्मेंट हा दॅट हॅज फेल्ड हेल्थ केअर तर तुमी जाणा पेंडेमिकान कितें जालां तें आनी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन आयज पर्टिक्युलरली ऑन बीच बेल्ट कित्याक हांव कलंगूटच्यान येता सो थिंगा कळटा की वॉट इज द सिट्युएशन ऑफ लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जे रेप्स जाता विमेन सेफ्टी आयज सद्याक गन्स घेवन लोक भोंवता ड्रग्स चालू आहा सेक्स प्रॉस्टिट्युशन हेजेर कंट्रोलूच ना आनी कंट्रोल जायना म्हूण न्हू ते कित्याक पुलीस आर व्हेरी पावरफूल दे हॅव गूड स्ट्रेंथ दे आर केपेबल पूण हें सगळें जाता बिकॉज ऑफ अ करप्ट गव्हर्मेंट तांकां काम करूंक दिना तेंचेर प्रेशर हाडटा तेंचेर ट्रान्सफर करता सो हे प्रमोशन्स ते स्टॉप करता सो हे भाशेन ते खूब त्रास जाल्ले आहा आनी हेजे परिणाम आमच्या लोकांचेर जाता अँड दीस इज नॉट गुड सो तेका लागून वी एज गोंयचो आवाज वी हॅव फॉर्म्युलेटेड 2 पॉलिसीज वीच आर फॉर द पीपल अँड ऑफ द पीपल हे जे पॉलिसी पासून करतना पुलीस ऑफिसर्स police officials DYSPs of that caliber from Goa and outside Goa have helped us in making these policies and that is why we are confident with these policies. We have lawmakers with us sitting and doing these policies and it is very beautiful जे आम्ही आयज दिला in very simple words, very simple policies आम्ही काढल्या which will be for every Goankar and for the benefit of the state.
Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Now for the weather, the IMD has predicted thunderstorms accompanied with lightning at isolated places till 6th of October. But there will be heavy rain only on 2nd of October. There will be light to moderate rainfall at many places on 2nd, 5th and 6th of October and very few places on 3rd and 4th October.
Light fog and haze can be expected in the early mornings at isolated places on the 2nd and 3rd. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 32 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. There are no weather warnings for the coast of Goa on account of the cyclone Shaheen. However, fishermen are advised to not venture out to sea, as waves would be high to very high over the northwest and adjoining northeast Arabian Sea over the next 12 hours. IMD wants to keep deep depression DC1 warning signal hoisted at all ports from Mormugar to Dahanu along the Goa-Maharashtra coast. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa365.